Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V tutorials. Today there is a fast arbitrage opportunity that I want you to go through and make a lot of profit before it's over. Okay, so this opportunity that I'll be talking about is not going to be always be here. All right, so all you just need to do now, if you are just saying this, start buying and start selling. Okay, so the arbitrage opportunity is going to be between Binance and Bybit. Okay, and it's going to be on the peer-to-peer market like right away. Okay, as you can see, USDT have grown fastly and is greatly doing well. You can see. So this is on Bybit. Okay, so all you just need to do is to pick up your phone, make sure you have a verified Bybit account and as well a verified Binance account. Okay, for you to be able to run this and start making a lot of profit. Okay, you can start this with as low as 50 USD or more. Okay, and start this with as low as what, as 50 USDT. So all you just need to do now is to pick your phone and start moving. Okay, so before going into this, I would like to check on Binance and see what exactly do we have here. Okay, and don't forget, you can see the rates here. One person is selling at 1000. Okay, one person is selling at 1839 here. Another person is selling at 1840 here. So let's go to quickly to Binance, see how much Binance is selling. Binance is still selling at 1800. Okay, let's say Binance is still selling at 1800. You can see that. Okay, Binance is still selling at what, at 1800. So you can buy from Binance at 1800 and sell on Bybit at 1814 naira. Wow, that's a massive profit, right? That's a very great profit. Let's say if you buy from Binance, you can as well see, because of the lot of increments, a lot of people are not posting ads, but they will soon be available here. So all you just need to do is to buy from Binance. Let's say you buy 1000, you buy at 1802. Let's say you buy let's say 100 USDT at 1802. Okay, let's say 1802 times 50. Let's check the Bybits. Let's see how much we can sell what we bought at 1802 on Binance, on Bybit, sorry. So all you just need to do currently is to buy on Bybit and come to Binance and sell it and make a lot of profit. Okay, so let's quickly go to our calculator to see the profit potentials that we stand to make. Okay, so we are right here on our calculator. We want to make the calculations. Let's say 1802 times 50 is going to be 90,100. So if you buy this at 90,100, right? Okay, and you are here on Bybit, to sell that same thing, to sell that same USDT at 1,838. This is a very high profit, right? Okay, let's say we're here. This is 90,100. Write it down. then 1838. What is 938 minus 50? What do we have? 1900, which is 91,900. Okay, 91,000, 91,900 less than 90,100. What do you have? 1,800 naira. It's as low as 50 USD. Don't forget. We just as low as what? As 50 USDT. Okay. So imagine you do this times, let's say you do this 10 times, 1,800 times 10. That's 18,000 naira. Wow. Just within an hour you can get this. Okay. Just do what? Just within an hour you can get this done and you make a lot of profit. Okay. So imagine you are using like 500 USDT, 1,802 times 500, which is 901, right? Okay. Sell it at the same 1,838 is 500. Wow, you can see it now. Okay, you've made still 18,000 naira profit. Okay, imagine you do this 18,000 naira times 10. You can make 180k instantly. You don't need to go come. Okay, so just seize this opportunity and start making money right away. Okay, so if you are just seeing this now, just start making it before times pass by. Okay, just start making it before times pass by. So all you just need to do is to buy from one exchange and sell in another exchange. Okay, so if you just see this now, start doing it and start making your profit. So thank you so much for being with me. If you are coming across to this very channel for the first time, please subscribe, like, and share. Okay, and if you are returning viewers and you are yet to subscribe or like the videos or share the videos, please do so that we keep going. Okay, so thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.